Assalamu alaikum dear alls. Hope you all with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Dear all, you know that we're starting the course. The name of my course is the Childcare Spoken English and Basic Grammar course. So actually, why does this? This is the first question. It is for the betterment of our child, those who are interested to learn English. And most of the students here, I could see they feel English is too much hard. Someone says they fear, someone says it is very hard, I can't learn it actually. So I think it doesn't matter actually if you are practicing more and more. Though it is international language, but I think if you are adhered to study, it doesn't matter, inshallah you will learn properly. So dear all, you are most welcome to the Childcare Academy, and my course is the Childcare Spoken English and Basic Grammar course. Inshallah, if you are joined with me, you will be learn it very easily. And I am always motivated to my students, those who are weak in, and those who want to learn actually, they have need to practice and they have to study. So here you could see most of the students are weak in English, but I'm trying to give them proper teaching. After 1 month or 2 months or 3 months or 6 months, they will be talking fluently. So today I will talk with one of my students. Though she was not good at English, at present she trying to properly talking with you and all. So it doesn't matter actually. Here one of my best students, Mahbuba. Could you name tell me please?
My name is Mahbuba Khanum.
Where you come from?
I come from Sylhet. It is a division of Bangladesh.
How long have you been living here?
I have been living here since my birth.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old.
Good. What's your nationality?
I am a Bangladeshi.
Aljan, Mahbuba is a Bangladeshi. I am also Bangladeshi, so it doesn't matter actually. Which things is very important in your life. At first, you have need proper rules and regulation and maintaining your time and discipline. And I am telling you that if you want to learn proper English, at present you have need destination, where you go, and how to learn. At present you have need an institution. If you find out a proper institution or good institution, it will give you a motivated things. That means they will give you a lot of suggestion, but you will find out the important suggestion that those things you will be doing. Actually, if you are maintaining your rules and criteria regulation, and if you spending your time with practicing English, it doesn't matter. As I am a teacher, I want to say you that please welcome and try to pass the time with your friend, and more time you will practice and talk to each other in English, it doesn't matter, and practice more vocabularies. And you can follow also some grammar rules. It will give you good opportunity to learn English. So Mahbuba, can you say something about your favorite hobby, please?
My favorite hobby is gardening. I love flowers very much. My garden is beside my reading room. I have planted in different kinds of seasonal flowers. If the flowers bloom, our house look like a paradise. My family members
Look like paradise. Okay.
My family members inspire me to collect more plants of flowers. Many friends of mine come to see new flowers.
Or your heavenly garden.
And heavenly garden.
Good. There's things about your favorite hobby. Okay, no problem, and you are warm welcome again, and thank you. Inshallah, if you practice more and more time, you will be learn these things and other things. It doesn't matter. English is an international language. Anyhow, I think if you are here to study, it doesn't matter. Don't worry. And Mahbuba, best of luck for you.
Thank you.
You are most welcome. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.